Right. Okay, no issues. So why I have asked this? I am asking this just to know more about you guys and I can plan my lessons accordingly. Okay. So we have two people who want to become doctors. We have a lot of people who want to become teachers. Okay. So before I am going, we will be also conducting a career guidance session also where we will be talking about all of this stuff. Okay. And since it's the first class, I just want to introduce the topic. So do you have the textbooks? How many of you have the textbooks? ये टेक्स्ट बुक नहीं है, ठीक है. So I'll be mainly talking about this periodic table today. Do you have a periodic table? So when I asked the teacher, he told me that maybe in the class there will be a periodic table. So do you know where the periodic table is? In office room or something like that? Principal office. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, मैं कल मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास आई विल टेक इट एंड कम. So today I just want to start with a story. Before that, there are 3 rules in my class. ठीक है. फर्स्ट रूल, तुम लोगों को सुनना पड़ेगा, मतलब यू हैव टू लिसन. ठीक है. सो सेकंड चीज, मुझे भी पता है, मैं भी 4 साल पहले +2 में ही था. सो कुछ टाइम हमको नींद आता है, कुछ टाइम हमको बोर होता है, कुछ टाइम वापस में बात करने का मन आता है, सब ठीक है. लेकिन उस टाइम तुमको क्या करना है, ऐसे ही हमारे 40 मिनट का क्लास है, तो वो सब करने का अभी टाइम नहीं है. So whenever you are feeling sleepy, whenever you are feeling distracted, you just ask questions. Questions should not be like, may not be, it can be related to the subject topic. Otherwise, you can just ask anything. Okay. Maybe related to your career. Maybe you know the entrance exam we have to write to get to be a doctor, right? What is the name? NEET. So maybe you can ask something about that, or maybe if you want to become a teacher, you can ask about that. But you have to ask questions. It can be right, it can be wrong, doesn't matter, but you have to be in the process, you have to be active in the class. And the third thing, देखो, like ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बाकी टीचर्स जैसे मुझे देखने का जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है. तो पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ, यू जस्ट हैव टू बी मोर एक्टिव. ये टीचर को ये बोल सकता है क्या, ऐसा सोचने का जरूरत नहीं है. कुछ भी डाउट्स आ रहा है तो यू कैन आस्क मी. सो यू कैन ट्रीट मी एज ए फ्रेंड. सो ऐसा कुछ बोल रहा तो पहले तो मैंने नाम पूछा. सो कुछ लोग बहुत ऐसे ही धीरे बोल रहा था, ठीक है मेरा नाम ये है. तो तुम लोग देखो, मैं अगर क्लास में आके ऐसे बोल रहा है, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच दिस, देखो इसको, दिस गाइस आर स्माइलिंग, राइट. सो ऐसे ही मुझे भी फील आ रहा है, तुम लोग ये बोल रहा है मेरा नाम, ये तो नहीं चलेगा. तुम दोस्त के साथ ऐसे बात नहीं कर रहा है ना, थोड़ा जोर से, थोड़ा एक्टिव वे में ट्राई टू इंटरेक्ट इन द क्लास. दैट्स इट. ओके. एंड व्हाट एवर डाउट्स यू आर हैविंग, you can ask. These are the 3 simple rules. Any doubts? Okay. So now before getting into the topic, I just want to ask you, what do you think about death? End of life. Okay. Anybody from this side? कुछ तो कुछ बोले. वही तो मैंने बोला, अभी ऐसा चुपचाप बैठने का जरूरत नहीं है. गलत हो सकता है, सही हो सकता है, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन कुछ तो कुछ बोलना है. कुछ नहीं, ठीक है, कुछ बोलना है, ठीक है. लेकिन मैं आज तुम लोगों को बोलने वाला हूँ कि साइंटिफिकली वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाई. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं ये अनसाइंटिफिक है, लेकिन टुडे आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू टेल यू, साइंटिफिकली वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू डाई. एनीवन कैन एक्सप्लेन मैं ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है? मे बी यू कैन थिंक ऑफ इट. देखो, व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग इज, सबको डीएनए के बारे में पता है, सुना है ये वर्ड डीएनए। तो ये डीएनए में मेरा और ये अभी इधर बहुत बंदर है ना, बहुत बंदर से इधर, सो उसका डीएनए में ज्यादा अंदर नहीं है, पता है ना, एवोल्यूशन कुछ तो कुछ पढ़ा है। एंड विथ मी एंड यू ऑलमोस्ट 99.8 और 9 डीएनए इज सेम, बट हमारा हाइट तो अलग है, हमारा एवरीथिंग इज डिफरेंट, मे बी आवर इवन द कलर ऑफ आवर दिस आई इज डिफरेंट, but this little difference can make me and him so different, right? Like that also mera in our body, so maybe you have heard about oxygen, there are some different elements, water and all na. So in a human body, if I am checking the elements, it will be almost similar. Okay, my drawing skills are not so good, so you don't have to look into that thing. So अगर दो humans का body मैंने लिया और उसका elements पढ़ा, so I'll be getting carbon, oxygen, a small amount of phosphorus and many elements like that. ठीक है? But what happened to this element? So let me ask you, mostly what people do after we die? बोलो बोलो, उधर भी बोलो कुछ। What will we do after we are dead? तो मैं बोला ऐसा चुपचाप बैठने का सर नहीं, कुछ भी बोलो, ये तो सबको पता है, कुछ टाइम पीपल विल जस्ट bury it, है ना। It depends upon your belief systems, but in some belief system they will just leave that body to be eaten by some birds. Have you heard about it? So there are different parts in the world. There are even some tribes in, I think in Africa or Amazon forest, they just bury their like let's say I am in that tribe and my grandfather died. So what they do, they will kind of bury him and the ashes, है ना, this ashes they will put into their food. Maybe you guys are thinking that ये क्या कर रहा है ना, it's not doesn't feel good ना, but their logic is he will live through our lives because there is some part of him in that ashes and now he can continue with my body. So that is that tribe rationale behind doing all these things. So like that I'm telling you, let's say in some cultures they will just dig a hole in the soil and all, just put the dead body over there, and then what happens? After some time it will like decay, right? And there will be, so it takes a lot of time, within 2 to 3 years it will be fully decomposed and there will be skeletons and all, and of course there will be nearby, there will be some trees. So let's say I'm just buried here one guy dead, it's been 3 years. So these trees, there is a tree, these trees, these roots will come here and it is just asking thinking about food, it needs some food, right? Tree also some nutrients. So मैंने ये बोला कि इधर तक मेरा ये हड्डी में कुछ फॉस्फोरस था, सो ये थोड़ा डिके हुआ होगा एंड फॉस्फोरस इज नीडेड बाय द ट्रीज, सो ये थोड़ा थोड़ा आके मेरा हाथ से ये लिया, मैं मर गया लेकिन मेरा हाथ से वो लिया. लेट्स से it's I'm just buried, like I'm just they just put fire in my dead body. So what happened? I became ashes, right? In ashes also you can find this kind of many elements. So in some cultures they will just go to rivers and just do that, right? But there also there will be some plants asking like looking for their food, and there will be some fishes, right? So the thing I'm going to say is, we are the things I am made of is going to be there if I am gone also. So the logic behind is, what happens when we die? Only our mental consciousness dies. The things, physical things that make us is never going to die. It's going to be there after 10 years, after 100 years and even after a billion years. So what happened before that? We have to think about that also, right? So do you guys know how the universe started scientifically? Maybe one name you have in physics, I think. Yeah, not I think, in physics chapter, one of the first chapters, it's written there. So there was a thing called Big Bang. Have you heard of it? Big Bang. Anyone heard of it? Just hand raise. Not heard of it. So the current scientific explanation of how this universe started is this Big Bang. So Big Bang में क्या हुआ? Big Bang में ये हुआ कि it says before that it's very hard to think, but it says before all these things universe was just a point with infinite density, and all of a sudden it just started expanding. And do you know one thing? Even now the universe is expanding. So let's say this is a earth and we have moon, right? Every single year moon is going 3 centimeter away, almost 3 centimeter away. So maybe after thousands of years the size of moon will be less compared to what we are seeing today. So why I am telling all these things in a chemistry class? Maybe you are thinking about it. The thing is, our whole the existence is back to this. Why I am telling all these things? Because basically we are a product of the elements present in our earth. And what was earth? Earth was also a kind of a stone. If you are thinking in the long perspective, in a universal perspective, earth is nothing but a piece of stone. It's a very big piece of stone. It's all about the difference in sizes and scale. So earth is like that, and sun is of course a big one. But basically all these things are made of stardust. We call it stardust scientifically. What is that? It's nothing but the things that was a byproduct of the thing called Big Bang. Okay, so when Big Bang happens, so let me ask you, how many elements do you know? How many? Maybe oxygen you have already heard of. So like that, how many elements you have heard of? Yeah. Yeah, I told you now, there is no right answers or wrong answers. You just tell. Hmm. Hmm? I didn't hear you. Magnetite. I still can't hear you. 118 elements. Okay, really good, really very good. But I am asking you the names for those elements. Oxygen is one of them. Then I already said about hydrogen. Maybe two more things. You just tell me. One from this side, one from this side. Hmm? Helium. Very good. So one from this side. Lithium. Okay. So you already have an idea about these elements, right? So all these elements are kind of a byproduct of the hydrogen. So initially there was hydrogen after Big Bang, then it started, two hydrogen just came, and there are many other processes involved in those things also. You will study that later in the chemistry chapters and in the physics chapters. So you will be studying it 2 times. So it will be clear then. So there are some process called nuclear fission and nuclear fusion. Okay. So the same thing is used for making atomic bombs, nuclear energy plants, and even the whole universe. Okay. So all I was trying to tell you is we are all stardust. Okay. I am standing here and I am doing all these things because of the evolution. In the end of the day, we are nothing but elements, different forms of elements. Here also it's a wood, right? There is also carbon. In me, there is also carbon, even in this plastic. It's made of carbon. Even in the cover of my mobile phone, it's also there is some part of plastic. So everything is just different permutation and combination. Have you studied in maths? Have you studied? So you will be studying, I think, in the 11th only. So it's all just a permutation and combination means nothing but different combinations. So if I have three things, I can take one. I can take, if I have like 1 2 3, I can take one. I can take 1 2. I can take 1 3, and I can take 3 2, like this, right? So all I'm trying to tell is all the things around us and all the people around us are just different combination of these elements. Okay. Do you have any questions from here? Maybe any fun questions, because as I told you before, this is just an introduction class. So you can ask whatever you want, maybe outside the syllabus also. So yeah, just ask. So before I need some questions. If I'm not getting some questions, I'm just, but I would like to tell that I think you guys didn't understood what I have just said. So asking questions is a necessary thing. So ask some questions. Only after one question, we will get into what I want to tell next. I need one volunteer. कुछ भी सोचो, लेकिन एक क्वेश्चन तो पूछना ही है. Yeah, hurry. We don't have time. कुछ भी पूछना नहीं है. कुछ है? कुछ नहीं. If you are not asking, I won't continue. I will stop here. We will just stay like this till one. वो नहीं चलेगा. कुछ तो कुछ किसी को पूछना ही है. So why moon is इधर से बाहर जा रहा है? As I told you, you can sit. This was a dot. The whole universe was a dot. Now it's all expanding. So let's say if you have a balloon. Let's say you have a balloon. I just cut it into like this, and I just made 2 points. Okay, and I'm stretching that balloon. So what will happen? The points will be, so let's say first I calculate, I just measured the points. It's like 2 centimeter. Then I'm stretching the balloon. So what will happen? It will be maybe 2 centimeter, like 2.5 centimeter more than the previous one, right? That's exactly what's happening with the moon and earth also. The whole universe is expanding. So the things in it will also come. Not only moon and earth, everything is expanding. Okay, I know it's a pretty bit hard to think. Actually, that is the beauty of physics, and that is the beauty of this chapter also. Because there is a lot of things which may seem kind of difficult to understand in the beginning, but once you are get it, you will be like, why ye kya hai? These are the beauty. This is the beauty of science actually. So one more thing that we can understand from this chapter is, yeah, how the universe is expanding. You know what? Nobody don't know an exact answer of that. So there are many theories, many physics theories. Even Nobel laureates say there are something called dark energy, dark matter. So first, the physicist explanation was there is something called ether in this space, but later we just discovered that it's nothing but vacuum. Okay, so the real reason, if you can found it, definitely you will get a Nobel Prize. You know about Nobel Prize, right? That is the top. You know, guys, how many of you know about Nobel Prize? You never heard of it? Nobel Prize. So just hand raise if you have heard of it. नोबेल प्राइज किसी को पता नहीं? तो पता है तो हैंड राइज करना. सबको पता है. ठीक है, तो वही है, नोबेल प्राइज इज द बेस्ट टॉप मोस्ट साइंटिफिक अवार्ड विच हैपेंस इन एवरी ईयर. एंड अगर तुमको ये इसका करेक्ट आंसर तुमको तुम्हारे पास है तो तुमको एक नोबेल प्राइज मिल जाएगा. तो देयर आर मेनी थियरीज, बस ये थियरीज का दिक्कत ये कि it can't solve all of these things because there will be another some other phenomena. ठीक है. So when you are talking about space, there are some kind of relativity coming in. ठीक है. That's Einstein. Have you heard about Einstein? Yeah, Einstein. Yeah. So that's just a different. So I am coming from Kerala. So maybe in pronunciations also there will be some differences. So we call Einstein. We call Einstein. Yeah, Einstein. You heard of it, right? So he got Nobel Prize for something we study in chemistry. But his most of the famous theory is related to this. But yeah, बोलना. बोले कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. What you have just said, it can be right, it can be wrong, no issues. क्या बोल रहा है? फिर भी सही. Her sound is not, my sound is not clear. आवाज नहीं आ रहा है. क्लियर नहीं है. सो ठीक है, ये थोड़ा आगे कर सकता है क्या? करो. दोनों मिला के है क्या? तो इतना पीछे क्यों बैठे हो? There are these kind of solutions we have to think of now. So in other ways you can come here, one can come here, one can sit here. Who said girls and boys should be in different places? So there will be always solutions. This is what exactly what we are doing in science also. What is so special about science? The first thing you will get from this chapter is it's all about elements. If you know periodic table very well, you can explain all things around you and you can explain the universe. Isn't that interesting? It is interesting. And the second thing, from the beginning itself, you will get an understanding of how science works. Any of you want to become scientists here? Nobody told me like that. But if I can tell you one thing, most of the students, so you guys wanted to become NEET, like you guys want to NEET, give it right now. Many students who prepare for NEET, they end up in a university called IISER. Have you heard about IISER? IISER, कहाँ से सुना? कोलकाता में है. कोलकाता में आई थिंक बरहमपुर में भी है एक IISER है. आई थिंक नहीं, बरहमपुर में भी है. So some students who did not get NEET, they write this exam called IISER aptitude test and they will go there. And you know what they do? They become scientists. And becoming a scientist is not so boring life. I have my friends who studies in this IISER. If you are studying in IISER, most probably you will get a chance to roam around the world. So he went to Japan, he went to Germany. Now for PhD he is going to America. So the scientific thing is, yeah, you guys can all go there. It's not like, it's actually very easy exam. But after going there, you have to study. You have to study, but the life of scientist is not so dull. So usually what people think, scientist है तो ऐसे ही बैठ के पूरा दिन काम करता रहता है. But I know some friends who just wanted to become scientists so that they can roam around the world. Okay. तो ये सब होता है. There are different layers of these things. So I just want to tell you science. So what is science and how science works? That also you can understand from this chapter. ठीक है. So वो कैसा होता है? So you guys know about this periodic table, right? देखा है ना periodic table? So Do you guys know who made those periodic table and what was the history behind that? सो पीरियोडिक टेबल का लॉजिक ही क्या है, ऐसा एक टेबल बनने का जरूरत क्या है, और ऐसा टेबल टेबल में भी ऐसा है कि तुम लोगों को ऐसा थोड़ा रोस है, ऐसा कॉलम्स है, ऐसे बनने का जरूरत क्या है? नहीं तो ऐसे ही लिख सकता है, ऐसे एक लाइन जैसा ऐसे ऐसे लिख सकता है, ऐसे टेबल और रोस बनने का जरूरत क्या है? क्या है बताओ? हैं? Space. Okay, one answer. He is selling space. Good. Then different type of category. Category. Okay, good. Next. Girls are not responding. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So the most near answer is this category actually. Space is also a thing, but when we are talking about these elements, some elements show some similarities. For example, you know about metals, right? So metals are usually hard, right? So this is a metal, and there will be, yeah, this is a metal, so it's are somewhat hard, but there are something like hydrogen. This is not at all, this is a gas, right? And there are many gases, there are something in the liquid state. So there is a need of classifying these things. So classification is in any subjects, in even in life, classification is the most important thing, right? So लेकिन मुझे कुछ भी कर सकता था क्लासिफाई करने लिए, मतलब मुझे मे बी आई कैन मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ, as I said, gas, and I will make a list of solid and now liquid, and I will just make tables and columns like this, and I will tell that this is my classification. ये भी चल सकता था, लेकिन ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? So when you are understanding the history behind how they have designed this periodic table in the way you see, you will be amused, because it's just a work of 200-150 years. The table you see in the board next day, I will just bring that one. It is hard work of many people for around 100 to 200 years. You will only able to, देखो अगर एक डांस, ये क्लासिकल डांस पता है ना, देखा है ना क्लासिकल डांस, ऐसा कुछ किसी को डांस आता है? ठीक है. सो क्लासिकल डांस में अगर मुझे समझ में आना है तो मुझे वो जानना चाहिए इसका मतलब क्या है, इसका मतलब क्या है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स से आई एम टॉकिंग टू इन मलयालम, इങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ വല്ലതും മനസ്സിലാവോ? कुछ समझ में नहीं आया ना? तो वही है, तुमको ये पता नहीं है तो कैसे समझ में आएगा? वही चीज़ है ये पीरियोडिकल टेबल के साथ में भी. अगर पीरियोडिक टेबल का मतलब क्या है वो तुमको पता है तो उसका ब्यूटी यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. ठीक है. सो वही देखने वाला है हम. सो फर्स्ट एक बंदा था, उसका नाम है डोबर रेनर. सो तुम लोग अभी तक कितना कितना चैप्टर्स पढ़ा है ये बता. अभी तक केमिस्ट्री +1 में क्या क्या पढ़ा? ठीक है, वो पूरा हो गया. कितना हो गया? ठीक है, डाल्टन. ठीक है. एटॉमिक नंबर का मतलब किसी को मुझे बता सकता है? एटॉमिक नंबर क्या होता है? गलत हो रहा था भी कोई बात नहीं, कोई